Oh, what's this? Quality Fateful Tools. Quality Fateful Tools.
Looks like a cheese grater.
What the hell? Right, this was a cool find, different. Now, immediately what I thought it was, when it says tools on it, I thought it was a little place where you can put your tools. And obviously upon scrubbing it, you know, I actually thought that it was a sanding block, because if you pull this out, it's got different grit things. But what it is, I'll put a picture on screen, it's actually to sharpen your tools. It's a sharpening stone. It's a sharpening block. How cool is that? Different.